Hello everyone and welcome back to Liver.HOW. Today we're plunging into a topic that's not just trending but crucial: liver health. This powerhouse organ, your liver, is the detoxifier of your body. But here's a question for you. Did you know that certain foods, yes, the ones you might be consuming daily, could be the villains behind the curtain, harming this essential organ? It's a thought worth pondering. Today, we're going to unmask 12 such foods that could be causing chaos in your liver. We'll delve into why it's paramount to be conscious of what's on your plate and how it impacts your liver. So, are you ready for the big reveal? If I were you, I'd grab a pen and paper, because this information isn't just intriguing, it's important. Buckle up, folks, you'll want to take notes on this one. Before we reveal the top 12 foods that could be damaging your liver, it's crucial to understand why liver health matters. This industrious organ is a powerhouse in your body, performing over 500 vital functions. It's your personal detoxifier, working round the clock to filter out toxins. It's a metabolic guru, managing fats and producing essential proteins. Your liver is like the silent guardian of your body, always on duty, always vigilant. But what happens when this guardian is overwhelmed with toxins? Well, it can lead to a host of health issues, including various forms of liver disease. And that's why we need to be mindful of what we consume, because some foods, while they might taste amazing, can be the equivalent of kryptonite to our liver. Too dramatic? You'll be the judge of that. Now let's uncover the culprits. First on the list is highly processed foods. These are items that have been significantly altered from their natural state, often packed with additives and preservatives to extend shelf life. They also tend to be high in unhealthy fats, which can contribute to inflammation and put a burden on your liver. Examples include canned foods, packaged snacks, and ready-to-eat meals. Next, we have sugar-sweetened beverages. Sodas, energy drinks, and even some fruit juices are loaded with added sugars. When consumed in excess, these sugars can lead to fatty liver disease and insulin resistance, both of which pose serious threats to your liver health. Third, we encounter trans fats. While naturally occurring trans fats can be found in small amounts in certain foods, the real culprits are the industrially produced ones. These are commonly found in fried foods, packaged snacks, and margarine. Consuming trans fats can lead to an increase in liver fat accumulation and raise levels of bad cholesterol in your body. On to number 4, alcohol. Excessive alcohol consumption is a well-known risk factor for liver damage. It can lead to conditions like alcoholic fatty liver disease, hepatitis, and even cirrhosis. Fifth on our list is red meat. While it can provide essential nutrients and be part of a balanced diet, too much red meat can overload your liver with saturated fats and cholesterol, leading to potential damage. Next up, we have salt. A high-sodium diet can raise your blood pressure and contribute to liver damage by promoting inflammation and fluid retention. This is particularly relevant for those who consume a lot of processed foods, which often have hidden salts. Seventh is artificial sweeteners. Marketed as a healthier alternative to sugar, these substances can actually disrupt liver function and increase the risk of metabolic syndrome, which includes conditions like high blood pressure, high blood sugar, and abnormal cholesterol levels. Eighth, we find processed meats. These include foods like bacon, sausage, and deli meats. They often contain harmful additives and high levels of sodium, which can contribute to liver inflammation and damage. Ninth is excessive coffee. While moderate coffee consumption has been linked to certain health benefits, including liver health, drinking too much caffeine can strain your liver and interfere with its detoxification processes. 10th on the list are refined grains. Foods like white bread, pasta, and rice have been stripped of their essential nutrients and fiber, leading to rapid spikes in blood sugar levels and promoting liver fat accumulation. 11th, we have fried foods. These are often high in unhealthy fats and calories. When consumed in excess, they can increase the risk of fatty liver disease and inflammation, further straining your liver. Finally, we come to artificial food additives. These include preservatives, colorings, and flavor enhancers found in many processed foods. They can burden your liver and contribute to oxidative stress, which can damage liver cells. So, there you have it. These are the 12 foods that could be sabotaging your liver health. While it may seem daunting to eliminate all of these from your diet, remember that moderation is key. Small changes can make a big difference in safeguarding your liver health. And, as always, it's best to consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet or lifestyle. Until next time, stay healthy and take care of your liver. And there you have it, 12 foods that could be sabotaging your liver health. But remember, knowledge is power. Understanding this can empower you to make healthier choices, starting right now. The liver, your body's silent hero, tirelessly works to detoxify your body, metabolize fats, and produce essential proteins. The foods we eat can either support these processes or place an unnecessary burden on this vital organ. Choosing nutrient-rich foods over processed ones is a simple yet powerful way to support your liver health. So let's step away from the high-sodium snacks, the sugary drinks, and the artificial sweeteners. Instead, let's embrace whole foods, rich in vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats are not just good for your liver, they're good for your entire body. Remember, it's not about perfection, but progression. Small changes can have a big impact. Maybe it's swapping out your afternoon soda for a glass of water, or trading your breakfast pastry for a bowl of oatmeal. These tiny tweaks can snowball into a significant shift in your health over time. It's also crucial to remember that everyone's body is different, and what works for one person might not work for another. Always listen to your body and consult a healthcare professional before making any drastic dietary changes. In the end, it all boils down to mindfulness. Being mindful of what we consume not only nourishes our bodies, but also fosters a healthier relationship with food. It's about eating for nourishment, not just satisfaction. So let's take these steps towards better liver health together, shall we? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more health tips, and share it with your loved ones. Your support helps us continue to produce content that promotes health and wellness for everyone. Thanks for watching.